Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. So let's dive into it. So one of the best things to do for you to be able to receive the USDT is to make sure that you are logging into your Binance account. After that, from there you have to go to the wallet. So for you to do that, you have to tap the wallet at the bottom right. Then you have to select the funding or the spot wallet. So choose where you want the USDT to be deposited. So after that, you have to select deposit option and type USDT in the search bar and select it. So after that, you have to select the Tron TRC20 as the network. Make sure you select that, and you have to copy the wallet address shown. Then send the address to the sender to receive the USDT TRC20, and that's how you can easily receive the USDT TRC20 on Binance. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.